Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can recover your forgotten password in Google. So let's say you mistakenly or on purpose signed out of your Google account, and when you want to sign in again, you forgot your Google account password. So what do? Let's see. First of all, on the top right corner of the screen, there is an option with your profile picture on it. Click on that and click the option sign in again. After that, it will ask your email or phone. You just type in, or it is already typed in. Click next, and then it will ask you for your password. If we knew the password, we would have simply typed in and hit next. But since we forgot our password, we will click the option forgot password. And there, it will ask you to enter the last password you remember using this Google account. You can simply type in the last password you remember, but if you don't remember that password also, you can click try another way. And then it will send a notification to your phone. You have to open the Gmail app on your phone and tap yes. In your mobile device, a pop-up will appear asking whether it is your account or not. You just have to tap yes, and here it will ask you to create a new password. Create a new password which you can easily remember, and then type the password again to confirm it. After entering your password twice, click Save Password, and there, you have now successfully recovered your account and also changed the password. Once you've done that, it will again ask you whether you want to use your phone instead of a password from now on. If you want to do that, you can click turn on, otherwise you can click skip. Now as you can see, we have successfully logged into our own account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.